This is part 4 of Austin Powder Coat engine tin installation on Type 3 engine. Here is the next part. This is the engine side part of the fan shroud. Now, because I got to hold the camera, I can't show you putting it on, but there's only two connections right here. Put it on, get it started, but don't tighten it yet. You want to leave it a little bit loose at this point. Over here, here's the rod that does the thermostat flaps. See, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open. Pretty simple. Now is when you can take this fitting and install it, and then put the rod in there. Now, get it pretty much up. And you can just hand tighten it for now. So you see, when the thermostat's closed, the thermostat's cold, the flaps are closed. And when they heat up, they'll open. And we can adjust how big this gap is. We can adjust how big this gap is. That's pretty big right now. So if we were to tighten the shroud up some, then we can loosen this and adjust this. I recommend having a popsicle stick gap. That's my recommendation. You don't want it all the way on the bottom. You want just like a popsicle stick. That's part 4 of Type 3 engine tin installation.